Here I'm coming back here with a little follow-up on my Cascade Bonsai. I was just gonna do a quick little clipping up here. I would need this limb here. Clip that out. Clip this one. Clip that. Just trim this off real good here so you can see that trunk line. So it turned into like a semi-cascade. Using the top for the apex. So you can see that natural degree of angle here. I want to kind of trim this back a little so I can get that cascade drop in here. Just give me a little room for my pads. Just grooming it up just a little here. I don't want to do anything drastic. I'm just trying to get all these branches from underneath here. Like so, and then I want to get my angle drop here. I'm gonna start wiring this later on. I just want to trim some of this back because it's a little busy. I just want to situate that little angle there. I'll get a couple of pads here, but I was mainly just want to expose this degree of angle I'm dropping at here, and I'll wire this up for apex. Just get it where I can kind of see where I'm going here. Then, as you know, you just kind of want to clip at the bottom here. Get all these limbs from the bottom. Kind of clean it up just a little here. And I'll come back with another video with me potting it, then I'll just show you the end results. I was just trying to show you how I was getting that angle. Let me see, can you get it there? I just wanted to show you that angle. That 90 degree here. How I get that angle naturally when I drop my